How to develop a content marketing strategy. In this short presentation, you're going to find out how you can build the right content marketing strategy for your brand. Contrary to popular belief, you can't just wing your content marketing strategy and expect to succeed. Content marketing isn't for the faint-hearted. You can either churn out high-quality content one after the other yourself, or you can pay premium dollars to have someone else do it for you. Either way, your content strategy will be built on sweat and money, but the reward will be more than worth it. Here's an outline of what you need to do. Number 1. Define your content marketing goal. Why are you doing this? What are you hoping to achieve? Do you want to get more people to sign up to your mailing list? Or are you hoping to get more clicks on your ads? Or do you want people to buy your products? Number 2. Define your ideal audience persona. You can't target everyone. The more specific your audience, the better your chances for success. When you define your audience persona, you can create content that's made specifically for that demographic. You'll be able to address their pain points, and they'll be able to relate to the content you put out. Number 3. Have a content management system in place. A good content marketing strategy involves a solid plan. Having a system in place will help you achieve your goals much faster. It will help you focus on what needs to be done. You can have a system for creating content, another system for publishing and promoting content, and so on. Number 4. Identify what kinds of content you want to create. If you do step 2 correctly, then you should know where your target audience is hanging out. Ideally, you should also know what types of content appeals most to them. Would they prefer text-based content like blog posts and articles? Or would they be more visual? If it's the latter, then you should consider creating more visual content. Number 5. Publish and promote your content. This is where having an editorial and social media calendar comes in handy. Step 3. Managing your content publication helps you keep track of how often you publish and which places you upload your content to.